Alright, we're at the station. Made it finally.
Made it finally, what's that mean?
I have no
It's
idea.
a 3-minute walk.
Bags are packed. Just.
Just, well, kind of. I'm holding up my stuff.
Yeah, it was interesting packing. Gonna go to the airport, then get on a plane, go to Scotland. Yay! Excited?
Yes.
Excellent. It's gonna be good times. Scotland for a week. Here we come. Oh, train's here. Nearly got everything in our bags. It's not that cold today, but we look like we're in the Antarctic. It's got 2 jackets on, scarves and everything. I've just got to put my other jacket on. The joys of flying. Exactly. The joys of flying without checked luggage.
2 cold places.
Yeah. Almost at the airport. Emma's just getting dressed again because she had to take everything off.
So many clothes.
Through security finally, I got held up for a bit of jewellery and then they had to check everything, which was annoying. Our 12:30 flight turned into a 1 o'clock flight. Our 1 o'clock flight turned into a 10 past 1 and now we're going to the gate. Let's hope it doesn't change again, right?
Yeah.
We made it to the gate. Everyone seems to be lining up over here, look. There's not even a plane there yet.
It's gonna be a while.
I think we're going to be a
We
while.
could have slept for so long.
You say that every time.
It happens every time. We
It's
get up
true.
early and then we wait at the airport for hours.
It's true. We have a plane finally. We're starting to board quite late.
1 o'clock.
At 1 o'clock, so only half an hour from when we're supposed to take off. So in 45 minutes is when we're supposed to land, but that ain't happening. We're not sitting together today, she's there. Which is a bit sad. But it's only a short flight, so let's go.
That's not going in.
VIP pickup. Yeah. So the bus drove us like, what, 100 metres? Ooh.
Yeah.
Look, Em, we're home.
Yay! That was quick.
Yeah. All right, getting on a tram now, and we're going to go in to find our hostel. So where are we? And where are we going? Excellent. Let's get on this tram. On our way, heading to city centre.
So,
Yeah.
I'm excited to be off the plane.
Yeah, the plane was bumpy. I didn't like it. You were feeling sick, weren't you?
Because it came in like Finally off transport.
This place looks cool.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there it is. We made it to the hostel. This place is really cool, actually. So it's called Code in Edinburgh, and you get like a little pod. What are you feeling of Edinburgh so far?
It's a bit windy.
I don't know if any of this is going to be able to be used because the sound. Sorry if the sound is bad.
It's really
It is, right? Okay, we're on our way to meet up with my cousin, my auntie, and my uncle. All right, we found them. They're here. They're finding coffee for in the morning because obviously we need good coffee. Using the Bean Hunter app again?
Yeah.
Always. So we're just out on a night excursion of Scotland. It's very pretty. See the, oh, you can't see it, but up on the hill there's the castle. Just did some photography, some night photography. This place is quite pretty, isn't
It's
it?
very pretty.
It's
I
very.
think I'm gonna like all the castles.
I think you will like all the castles. I think Scotland's going to be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's do this.